How you doing, everybody? It's your health and fitness specialist, Kelly Brown. And today's video is going to be answering a question that a couple people asked me. Ivanov, Country Swole, and Imagine. They asked a question that was all similar, so I'm just going to put it together in one video and try and answer it, as best as I can. The question is, do I believe in upper body and then lower body day, exercises that just isolate certain muscles on each day, or a full body workout? What I'll do is I'll break it down and I'll say what I think you should do, and then I'll say what it is that I do once you get to a certain level, because it's going to be different for different people. The way I think that you should do it if you're a beginner, I would say start off with just a full body day, right? Do a full body day, calisthenics, most likely, like, push-ups, pull-ups, dips, body weight squats, lunges, leg raises, sit-ups, stuff like that, stuff with no weights. I would say to start off like that if you're new into working out, because you got to build that foundation first. And if you know me, you listen to my channel, you read my books, I'm all about building that natural foundation so that you know exactly what your body's going to look like. And then you want to start, once you have that foundation, then you want to start putting on the size on each one of those areas. So start off with just a full body workout, and maybe wait till you're not sore. So let's say you do a Monday full body workout, you sore Tuesday, you sore on Wednesday, you feel better by Thursday, go back in there on Thursday, do the same, full body workout, maybe different exercises. You sore on Friday, you sore on Saturday, Monday again, you can go back in there and do it Sunday or Monday, you can go back in and do it again if you want to. So maybe twice a week, 3 times a week for a full body workout once you're new into it. Now, stage 2, once you get used to that, I would say do 1 day of a full body workout. And this is for intermediate people, or once you move on to that next level where you're not a beginner anymore, right? You can do 1 day of a full body workout. Then the next days of the week, isolate each muscle group. Do a chest day, shoulder day, tricep day, leg day, ab day, and then like a back and bicep day or something like that. Not a full arm day. I think that chest and shoulders, really chest and triceps go together, in my opinion. Back and biceps go together, in my opinion. Legs and abs go together, in my opinion. And then lastly, shoulders can be on its own day. So if you could do something like that, then that would be ideal. Or you don't have to do the full body day. You can just do the exercises that you were to do on that full body day and incorporate them into your little 6-day routine or into your 5-day routine. So for example, if you do pull-ups as one of your full body exercises, you would do that on your back day. Warm up with your pull-ups. Or on your chest day, warm up with your push-ups, then do your chest. On your tricep day, warm up with 100 dips, 4 sets of 25, 5 sets of 20, 10 sets of 10, whatever you got to do, and then do your tricep exercises or whatever the case is. So now, thirdly, the way I do mine to this day is a little unorthodox. So I kind of do both. I mix them together. What I do is I do probably 3 days a week, maybe 4 days, depending on where I'm at and what I'm trying to accomplish, right? Just so I can kind of maintain my aesthetics, so to speak, but not necessarily try and put on any, great size. What I like to do is I do chest, shoulders, and triceps all in 1 day. 3 exercises for chest, 2 exercises, maybe 2 or 3 exercises for shoulders, 2 exercises for triceps. Right? And that's 1 day. I normally pick exercises that I know are guaranteed to make me sore, and I know are hitting different parts of the muscle. So for example, if I'm doing my chest, I'm working, mid chest, lower chest, upper chest. Those are my 3 exercises, and they're going to be big moves like, heavy bench press or chest press for my mid chest, declines for my lower chest, inclines for my upper chest, and I'll do whatever I'm feeling, 5 sets of 20 that day maybe, or if I want to do something that's different, like 4 sets of 10 or 3 heavy sets of 8 or whatever, I'll play around with that type of stuff. But for the most part though, I'll choose exercises like that. And so now my chest, shoulders, and triceps are done for the week, right? my next day I'll come in there and I'll say, okay, now let me do my back and my biceps. And let's say maybe like something small like my forearms or something like that, or squeeze my traps. And I normally don't do my traps on that home day, but if I were to do my traps, then I would put them on that day, right? So then I'll do those exercises, same thing, pick big movements that I know get me sore, and I'll focus on doing those exercises on those days, right? And then I'll come in the third day and I'll do my legs and really beat my legs down. Start with my calves first, then my hamstrings, then I'll do my quads, and I'll do an exercise like the Smith machine squats. And because my squat is kind of ugly for whatever reason, I always end up working my inner thighs anyway. So I'll do those exercises, and I really tear down my legs, get them sore as I can, and pick exercises that really get them sore. And then let's say, now since I worked out, my first day was Monday, and my next day was Tuesday, and my third day was Wednesday. Now I got Thursday to chill, Friday to chill, Saturday to chill, Sunday to chill. And so in between one of those days, I'm not gonna be sore as I was from before. So with the exception of my legs, and they may recover by that time, maybe Saturday, I might go into the gym in the morning and do a full body workout on Saturday to really tailor up certain things. And I won't do the same type of lifts that I did on the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'll do something like, all calisthenics, or I'll do things that's like high reps, like a lot of volume, or heavy weight and high volume, which is where I've found my most success, because I'm strong enough to do 20s if I really feel like it. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't feel like it, so I won't do them, but I'll pick up some 80s or something on the shoulder press and squeeze out 20 of them if I'm in the mood. So I'll do those on that day, depending on what I didn't work on, or depending on maybe what's not as sore from those earlier days in my week. So anyway, that's how I do it. There's no right or wrong way. And if you have a way that you think might, help somebody out in the comments, please leave your comment below and tell them what you think your preference is, or what you think is the best way to do it. Is it an upper body day, lower body day, or do you like doing full body workouts? So leave your keep your questions coming. Leave your comments below, and if you get a chance, if you want to, definitely support the page. Download your ebooks, your free master food list. Download your ebooks, the ones you pay for at $3 a piece. The guidebook to natural bodybuilding. I think everybody who's been buying them, hopefully you've learned something about how to actually build your physique. And I get a lot of good emails and comments later on saying that they learned a lot from my books, because it's just telling my story. And also, if you know any women who are interested, or if you are a woman who's watching this page, download How to Lose Weight and Keep It Off. And that could be for guys too, depending on what you're into. So yes, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.